Came up over this rise. I hit something. I don't know what I hit. Welcome to the GoonMotoSquad channel. Today we thought we'd do something a little different. Thought we'd go full driving instead. It's a bit rainy outside. We'll see where we can go. We might go to Ko-Fi River again. It's a good spot. Haven't taken the trucks there before.
I'm trying to figure out. I don't have to pull the jack out with the plug in case the plug can come off or melted or something. It's an absolute pain in the ass. I don't really want to be doing that, you know.
Yeah, it's sort of eased off, eh?
Hopefully it stays like this.
Smash the diff locks on there, fella.
Hang on, I'm going to see if it actually goes in. Diff lock.
Good?
We got rear diff lock. I'm just going to use that for now.
Oh yeah.
We'll just go down, see what happens.
Chains. The answer's always very clear. When the guilty is to blame.
Can we give that a go? It's one way to get stuck. You go first, then I can pull you backwards. I'll bottom out on that. No way I'm going to get through that. Yeah, my wheelbase is too long for it. I'd go and get stuck. Let's hit the hole at the top of it. I'm going to. Oh, I think I hit something.
Came up over this rise. I hit something. Don't know what I hit. Oh, yeah. Yeah, tree stump. That'll do it. Awesome. Oh well, she's right. Oh yeah, got a good dent in the bumper. Look at that. Ah well, the joys of full driving, eh? So we had to stop and get some petrol.
This tank of the thing uses a bit.
Yeah, uses a bit of fuel. But we stopped in Sefton?
Yeah, Sefton.
Yeah, Sefton. We'll go to the Ashley River and see if we can find some mud or something to get stuck in.
You can get stuck, I don't feel like getting stuck.
That's alright.
I don't want to get too dirty.
That's fair enough.
Sunday.
It's Sunday, no time for getting dirty.
No.
forget you. It's my fate to let you go. You feel hate when I'm around you, but I know you won't let me go. So close to see, and I'm down inside of me. So close to leave, and I know there's no release. My time has come, I have to leave you. I don't know how, 'cause it feels so right. It is you I have to break through, but I know you will win the fight.
I came through this yesterday. I didn't try to go through it because there wasn't anyone else here, and I don't know if I should try it now. You reckon I should try that?
Oh, that's deep down the other end, isn't it?
Because when I was checking out the track yesterday, I came down here and like I had to back all the way back out because I was like, oh, I don't know if I'll get through that. But like the centre, I don't know how deep the ruts are, like if my diff will clear it or not.
Oh, if you're going to get stuck, this will be where you get stuck.
Oh yeah.
I mean, I can always get up here to pull you out if you get stuck in here, but there's no way I'll get through that.
No. Oh yeah, that's soft. Should I give it a go?
You can give it a go if you want.
I'll go around the other track and come back through it.
Oh, can you go around this way?
I reckon I could have got through that if I didn't belly
If
it.
I hadn't bellied out, yeah.
Because I was almost, like that rope went slack as soon as I was off it.
Oh yeah, but I just didn't want to stop because otherwise I was going to get stuck.
In that hole there, yeah.
Oh, I hit the rock in the mount, that's why.
Oh yeah.
Take the stinky dog to my truck.
I'll tie it around my rear wheel. His old mate coming up the hill. Easy, mate. Too easy. Oh, well, that comes to the end of the day. Hopefully you guys had as much fun watching the video as we had recording it.
I doubt it.
Yeah, it was pretty fun. If you like what we're putting on YouTube, don't forget to like and comment and share and subscribe and all that good stuff.
We're always doing dumb shit.
We're always doing dumb shit. Always. That's it for now, so GoonMotoSquad out. See you later. See ya.